Ladies and gentlemen, the countdown has just begun. Are you ready?
Welcome again to another episode. This time I have here a fake or copy Aerocatch style hood latches or hood pins. The only difference between these and the original ones is to attach these two latches you need to use 6 bolts, 6 nuts and 6 washers. By the way, those washers don't fit, and you need to modify a little bit those washers and grind off one of the side. But I can tell you these things are pretty tough. I already installed those, and please subscribe, and I'm going to do an install video pretty soon. Also, if you want to buy these hood latches, you can check in the description below the direct links to Amazon. If you use those links, you can help me and help grow my channel, because I can get a little commission out of those sales. I put 4 different links, and one of those is for the original ones, in case you want to buy the original hood latches. Those are the bottom ones, and the first 2 are for these copy ones, for 2 different sellers on Amazon. Also, I want to let you know, guys, commission is out from Amazon revenues, not from you guys, so don't worry, you can use those links, and thanks if you do that. I'm doing this review because, like I told you before, I already have those installed on run the car to like 85 miles an hour, so I'm pretty sure this hood latch can withstand the heat. And the lock mechanism work pretty sweet, like you can see in the video. So far those has been installed like for 2 months on my car, and my only complaint was those bolts, no matter, seems to be coated with this black stuff, got corroded pretty easy. So what I do was, I go to the local hardware store and bought some stainless steel ones. If you are new, please make sure to subscribe and hit the little bell thingy in the left of the subscribe button, so you can get the notifications on my new videos. And please share my videos with all your friends. Leave a comment if you have any question or you want to give me any idea. And thanks for watching. This is the bolts I was talking a little earlier. And the good is, these are nylon lock nuts, so no need to Loctite. Well, stay tuned for the install video. Well, thanks again, and see you in the next video. Chequeamos.